Hello friends, welcome to Astro Chakra. Today I'm going to present a reel on Astro Tarot spread. This Astro Tarot spread is going to throw some light on different aspects of the life of a person. So as you can see here is the spread. I have taken out 12 different cards. This is a sample reading of one of my clients. So I've taken out 12 different cards that represents different aspects of the life of this person. It's very much similar to a Vedic horoscope. As you can see in a Vedic horoscope, we read 12 houses. So in this case also, these 12 cards represent 12 different houses. So it will showcase the life story of this person. The first card is about the personality of this person. Let's say we name the person X. So it's Three of Wands, which shows that this person is confident and optimistic. They are visionaries and have a noble attitude and enjoy a great inner strength. The second card represents the savings of this person, which is Eight of Cups. This card shows struggles in ensuring good enough or decent financial savings. For the highest good of the loved ones, this person gives upon or lets go the financial savings. The third card is about the efforts or strength of this person, which is Four of Wands. It shows that the person perseveres through challenges and may have a developed inner strength and self-discipline, which could be necessary for him or her to achieve the goals. The next card is about what gives happiness to this person, which is High Priestess card. It shows that this person is essentially seeking a relationship that is built on trust and mutual respect, where the feelings and thoughts can be shared without any fear of judgment. The person wants communication on a deeper level and finds pleasure in connecting with intuition or the higher self or exploring or understanding the spiritual realms. This card talks about the intelligence of this person, which is the Hierophant. It shows that the person can be very intelligent and may have immense wisdom, knowledge and spiritual insight. They could be very intuitive, so they should trust their inner wisdom. And they are always engaged in pursuing higher knowledge and answers to the spiritual or deeper questions. Now let's see who could be the enemies for this person. The enemy for this person is manipulative people, the personal emotional volatility of this person, anger, and immaturity in handling emotional or complex situations. This card calls us to rise above our emotional reactions. Regarding the married life of this person, we can see here, as it represents through the Five of Wands, it indicates presence of rows, arguments and conflicts. There could be lack of harmony with partner, struggling to see eye to eye on important issues. This card, Knight of Pentacles, talks about the deep issues that concerns the person. It indicates that this person may be putting too much into everything, yet seeing little return. Life may seem standstill to this person. Also, the next card is about the luck or the general fortune of this person, which is the Hanged Man. It shows stagnations or delays in good luck. The person's life could be hanging in limbo, unable to move forward or backwards. This Temperance card throws light on the professional life of this person, which shows that this person can be very dedicated and has the ability to withstand challenges related to career with patience. Career growth will be moderate for this person, and he or she will be needs to be mindful of spending habits. The next card shows about the income of the person, which is the Strength card. The person definitely works hard to make a decent income or for the financial stability of the family. But this card also cautions about spending and making wise financial decisions. The last card talks about the expenses of this person, which is Page of Swords. The person enjoys a mental prowess and has a thirst for knowledge. So such people expend a lot on knowledge acquisition. A lot of struggle also goes into controlling the expenses. For your personalized readings as per the Astro Tarot spread, do reach out to your tarot reader on Astro Chakra app. Thank you so much.